Parlok baro sngoba subscribe yana ka channel KREN PHARENG lada fikwa shu kum kini ki videos kublaish bun. What sarong? Don't be proud. Don't be proud. Don't be proud. What cup nap? Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. Don't be stingy. What perkat tang yalade? Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Buram yaki bala hai. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Respect your elders. Long kibas bun. Be generous. Be generous. Be generous. Long kiba treshi tom. Be hard working. Be hard working. Be hard working. What long kiba jai pede? Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Don't be lazy. Long kiba smart busting. Be smart and active. Be smart and active. Be smart and active. What penle no e yakasap bapidan? Don't waste your talent. Don't waste your talent. Don't waste your talent. What shap tieng ban kren yaka jing shisha? Don't be afraid to speak the truth. Don't be afraid to speak the truth. Don't be afraid to speak the truth. Te parlok baro lada fikwa pet shu kum kita ki videos. Klik ha kita ki video ba mi a screen menta. Ba kum jo ru kan mau ban subscribe ya kan ka channel KREN PHARENG. Lada fikwa shu kum kini ki videos. Kublai shibun.